Look at this charming little curtain tieback. So cute, and it's made with cork fabric. And this is just my scraps. So let me show you how I do it. Using a paintbrush, or you can always use a skewer. I just rolled it maybe a couple of times and then glued the rest of them. And actually I held this with a clip. You can use a clip. I just use my sewing clips, or you can use a rubber band just to hold it until it dries. Then choose your beads that are going at the top and the bottom. And here I just cut maybe 8 inches of wire, just so I have enough to manipulate the loops, and so that I can bead it through, and then have enough on the other end to loop again, and then secure by just coiling it around itself a couple times. And then what I do is I hide the ends inside the bead so that it doesn't poke anybody. My next step is to use a really thin wire that has a matching and coordinating color, and then I just pick some of the beads that I'm going to use and wrap this around just randomly wherever you want. Just wrap it, and then I just started at one end, wrapped it a couple times, maybe 4 or 5 times, and then chose what kind of beads that I'm going to use that matches with the colors of the fabric. And then I just strung it and then wrapped it and strung it and then wrapped it again until, I mean, you can do whatever you want to do. You can even have like little dangles if you want, or you can have definitely different ribbons, whatever your heart desires. I'm just doing mine as simple as I can because I think simplicity is beauty. I love creating things that are unique and eclectic, pieces that aren't confined to a rigid process. To me, that's what art is all about, a personal expression shaped by your individuality and inner creativity. When something is forced or merely copied, it often shows. It lacks the emotional depth that truly original work can evoke in the viewer. Eclectic style is a design or artistic approach that combines elements from different styles, time periods, cultures, or aesthetics into a cohesive whole. Rather than sticking to one particular theme like modern, vintage, minimalist, or bohemian, eclectic style blends them together, creating something personal, layered, and often surprising. And that is what I am basing this project on. I love the fact that not only is it eclectic, it's also boho, and it's also an expression of my own style and the materials that I use for this project. I mean, it's something simple, it's a small thing, but it has a story, and the story just defines my style. I'm also curious to know what you guys' style is, and what do you relate most to? Do you relate most on eclectic or bohemian or modern, vintage, minimalist? What is it like? Sometimes there are styles that are just very plain and simple but so elegant. So let me know down in the comments what your style is, and how do you express yourself or get inspired to do with your own style. Because you can take this project and translate it to your own style, and then you can make something so beautiful that's entirely yours and inspirational and very unique to your own. And I'm really excited to find out. So drop it down in the comments. Make sure you click the like button on this video, and we will see you later. Bye.